Happy New Year, OLLI friends. I'm Amy Davis, Director of the Osher Lifelong Learning Institute at SDSU. If you haven't taken an OLLI class in a while, we have some great new classes for you to check out. Some of the topics include how social media has revolutionized political speech, the ethical dilemmas of driverless cars, and the constitutional intricacies of impeachment and presidential incapacity. Additionally, a fluke survivor of Jonestown will share her hard-learned insights on cults and leadership styles. We'll also look at San Diego's pivotal role in World War I, which includes the making of kelp-derived explosives in Chula Vista. This semester features a record number of instructors from SDSU's main campus sharing their expertise on more topics than ever. I look forward to seeing every one of you in class again soon and personally invite you to attend our OLLI Welcome Orientation and Tour on January 26th. Learn more and see our full list of course offerings at neverstoplearning.net/OLLI.